Hello everyone, good morning. How are you are? Yesterday I discussed one word substitution from 1 to 50. Am I right? And today I'm going to discuss number 15 to number 100. Are you ready for that? I am ready for that. You ready or not? Mention in the comment box. Let's start beginning of the day with the one word substitutions. First one is algicide हुए जो कहते हैं जो शैवाल का नाशक, ए सब्सटेंस फॉर किलिंग algae, algophobia, fear of pain, alien, a person belonging to a foreign country or different from the what you are used to, or a fictional being from the another world. Alimony, the money paid to former wife, husband or partner when the marriage is officially ended. Do you know what is the meaning of grass widow? Widow and grass widow. Widow, those women who have lost their husband, and the grass widow is those women who is far from her husband. Her husband is alive, but he part away with her husband. Next is allegory. Allegory का meaning a story, play, picture, etc. in which each character and event is symbolized, representing an idea or a quantity or a quality such as truth, evil, death, etc. Next one is alliterations. Alliterations, the meaning of alliteration is words that begins with the same letter, syllable and sound, or repetition of an initial sound in two or more words of a line. Alluvium. We studied in geography that alluvial soil. What is the alluvial soil? The most growing soil is alluvial, and potential is very high. Alluvium. The meaning of alluvium is soil deposited by flowing water. Do you know alma mater? Alma mater. What is alma mater? Alma mater is the noun, but its meaning is the school or college in which one has been educated. Suppose we are a student and we studied in some school. Suppose my school name is Kanak Durga Vidyapitha. In schooling, 10th and in matriculations, I studied there, and I come from the school, and now I am a alma mater. Are you understand? Come to the next, almanac. What is the meaning of almanac? A publication containing astronomical or meteorological annual calendar that contains important dates and times. Mountain climbing. Mountain climbing is far from that. Almanac is the publication containing astronomical and meteorological annual calendar that contains important dates and time. Okay. Come to the next, alpinism. And the meaning of alpinism is mountain climbing. If you are staying in Odisha and you should visit the hill station like Mahendragiri and Devamali hill station, Koraput, which is located in Koraput. The meaning of mountain climbing. Next is altar. The meaning of altar is a table or flat surface where offerings are made to a deity. Number 62 is altimeter, which is a noun, and its meaning is instrument that measures the altitude of the land surface. Number 63, altitude, height above the sea level. Number 64, altruist, someone who makes charitable donations intended to a welfare of other people. Altruist. Alumnus, a former student of a school, college or university. Alumnus. Now I am an alumnus guy, and because I studied in some college and school, and I live there. I live from there. Now I am a alumnus. Amateur. The meaning of amateur is one who plays for pleasure rather than as a profession. A person who is neither well experienced or not professional. Suppose I worked here and I have been working for 2 months and 3 months only. Before that, I don't know anything about the government sector and what is the professional criteria, what is the workflow over the responsibilities. I don't know, but as usual, I worked here and gaining some tips, gaining some ideas, gaining some knowledge about how to do handle the work profile. Okay. I am also a amateur. Amaxophobia. Next is amaxophobia. Yesterday I discussed what is the meaning of acrophobia, the fear of height. I know, and you also know that. Phobia, it's a rude word. Meaning is fear. Here is the amaxophobia. The meaning of amaxophobia is fear of riding in a car. If you are driving in a car, if you seated in a car and you fear that to drive, and now you are suffering from a amaxophobia. Next is the ambassador, a diplomatic representative in another country. If you are go through the CGL or CGL, you can see the IFS officers and Indian Foreign Service officers. Look, our Minister S. Jaishankar sir, she is a diplomatic representative of India. Ambidextrous. Next one is ambidextrous. It is which is the noun, and its meaning is able to use left hand and right hand equally well. Next is the ambience. The character and atmosphere of a place. Look, in college, their ambience is separate. In work area and office area, here ambience is separate from the college area. Ambience means the atmosphere. Look, in college, you can go to college and you can see the ambience there. If there's some students are there's some teachers are there, principals are there. But in the office area, you can see them. What do you see? What you saw? You saw the CEO. You saw the assistant manager. Okay, general employees. This is the ambience and this is the like a atmosphere. Next one is this number 71. Ambiguous. Its meaning is capable of being understood in either of two or more possible senses and therefore not definite. Number 72 comes to number 72. Having ambivalent. Ambience. Before that, we discussed ambiguous. After that, and after it, we will discuss ambivalent. 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 Its meaning is having or showing both good or bad feelings. Okay, ambivalent. Next one is number 73 is ambivert. You can see the meaning of very good morning. You can see the meaning, the word like ambivert, extrovert, and introvert. Introvert people are those people who are not talking much more, and the extroverts are irrevocably and irregularly. They mention the external word which is unnecessarily spoken. But ambivert people are those people who speaks as per the situation, as per the conditions applied over them. Next one is amble and ample. AMPLE, ample, its meaning is a huge amount, but amble, its meaning is different here. What is the difference? Walk and move at the slow relaxed pace, or to walk aimlessly. Next one is ameliorate. It is a verb and its meaning is make something bad or unsatisfactory better. Ameliorate, to distract anything. Okay. Amicable, it's a adjective and its meaning is someone who is friendly and good natured. Amnesia. Next word is amnesia. Amnesia is a noun. Its meaning is a partial and total loss of memory. Those people who oftenly lose their memory for a certain days, for a short period of time, we calling them is a amnesia persons. Okay. Next one is amnesty. What is the meaning of amnesty? Amnesty is an official pardon and formal act of liberating someone. Someone made someone since feel guilty, but he is not guilty actually. But code identified their activities, identified their reviews. After that, he is not feel guilty. So court judgment support there, and they liberated him. Next one is immoral, not following any moral rules and not caring about right wrong. Okay. Those people who is out of their character. Suppose I am a document manager of ARC Barampur, जो in physiotherapy department, but my character is what is my character? My character is to obtain patient's registration, go through them and maintain all documentary files and documents safely and correctly, and guide the security guards and housekeeping staffs properly, and maintain the sanitation and hygiene in over the floor area and outside the cabin area. It's my character, it's my rule, and I live in the rule. So it's a moral sense. Next one is in number 82 is amphibians. Amphibians, those people who lives in both water and land area. We studied in the biology classification of the living systems. Amphibian, animal that can live both in land and in water area. Amputee, a person who has had one or more limbs and removed. You can see my backside area, that area registered for the P&O, prosthetic in the orthopedics department, and here the other patients are amputee. Those patients are lost their one or more part of the body. They can come here, and also it is provided to them support, physical supports and prosthetic. What we said that for physical support and orthopedics. I don't know meaning of the what is the actually I say. Let's come out with it. Next one is number 84. Anagram is a noun, a word or phrase formed by rearranging a different word. Analogy. Number 85. Analogy is a noun, a similarity between like features of two things, and which is a comparison may be based. Analysis. Analysis is a noun, and its meaning is a detailed examination of something complex. Anarchist is a very fantastic word, and anarchist, a person who believes that laws and governments are not necessary. A person who is believes in a tries to bring about the state of lawlessness. Next one is anarchy, a situation in a country and an organization or which there is no government or order and control. You can see the Afghanistan before 1.5 year. You can see the in Afghanistan the Hamas are attacked on Afghanistan residences, and they broke their comment and make their anarchist systems. Number 89, anatomy, the scientific study of inside of knowledge gain of the inside of the body, like cardiology, then nephrology, etc. And osteology meaning the scientific study of related to bone. One is anatomy, the scientific study of inner body, and other is morphology, the scientific study of outside of the body, like a hand, nose, eye, ear, hair, etc. Next, number 90, 10 more part. Number 90 is a person who presents a radio television program. Noun, anchor. Its meaning is anchor. Ancient, belonging to long past. In our childhood and now here, we can see that we saw dinosaurs in televisions and studied about them. He is an ancient animal. One more example, in biology, you must study that you may study that eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Those cells are long past year ago, and those nucleus are absent. Those are prokaryotics, and those are having nuclear membrane. Those are eukaryotic cells. Anecdote. Next one is in number 92. Anecdote, a short and interesting amusing story about the real person or an event. Anecdote. Number 93. Anesthetist, a medical specialist who administers drugs for relieving pain during surgery. Anesthetist. Number 94, anile is a noun. Its meaning is like a weak old woman. Anile. Number 95 says animosity, and its meaning is a strong dislike and hostility. Animosity. Annihilate is a verb, and its meaning is to destroy completely. Anniversary is a noun, and its meaning is the date on which an event happened in some previous year. Number 98, annuity is a noun, fixed sum paid annually. I worked here as a document manager, and my salary is something 1,000. Okay, I received my money timely, so here I can say the annuity of the company. Number 99, anomaly is a noun. Its meaning is departure from common rule. And today's last word is anonymous. Is an adjective, and its meaning is whose names are not known, an unknown author. You may study earlier in your student life that some poems are there whose authors are not known. Okay, those poems are called anonymous poems. So guys, we ended today's chapter from 51 to 100, and later I discussed with you number 01 to 1012 to 150, one word substitution, and wait for the short videos from of antonyms and synonyms and vocabulary parts. It's a beautiful morning. Hope it's a beautiful morning and a day for you. So guys, let's end this video. See you next videos. So thank you very much to see, and if you like it, please subscribe and help to me to grow on up in YouTube. It's a initial effort from my side. Okay, comes to the next video. See you soon. Thank you.